Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is Cheryl. If you are interested in dropshipping and want to start dropshipping as soon as possible without paying for anything, you come to the right place. It will be fun if you have no experience in e-commerce, because in this video, I'm going to share with you a proven approach to set up your business step by step. We'll cover how to build your online store, choose a dropshipping niche, find a trustworthy dropshipping supplier, and market your products. Above all, before we start, here are a few reminders. 1. It's important to set aside enough time every day. 2. You should take your online business seriously from now on. 3. Interest is the best teacher. You'd better combine your interest with your business and enjoy it. 4. It's okay that you're not good at selling online now. You can take your time and learn everything you need. 5. Last but not least, don't give up easily. You should believe that success is not far away. Bear all these points in mind. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the topic. How to start dropshipping with no money. First of all, you should have a storefront. How to create an online store. As we know, it's not free to sell on online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Wish. They charge high selling fees and there are too many restrictions. After comparing the pricing and features of popular site builders, including Shopify, ecommerce, WordPress, with GoDaddy, and so on, I recommend you to choose Shopify. The 14 days free trial is quite enough for you to set up your storefronts. Even if the trial period expires, you can try again with a new store name. It sounds great, right? However, don't postpone it forever. Although you will need to pay after 14 days, all Shopify's features will make it worthwhile. What's more, according to research, starting dropshipping on Shopify is one of the easiest ways. If you're just playing around, you don't need a professional website. You may start with a Facebook shop, an Instagram shop, or a TikTok shop. It's worth mentioning that more and more people dropship on Facebook Marketplace. What do you need to do after you register a Shopify account? Just follow these 8 steps. Step 1. Create a store by giving it a name. Step 2. Provide answers to 3 questions. Step 3. Add your first product. Step 4. Choose a theme and customize your store. Step 5. Set up payment methods. Step 6. Customize shipping settings. Step 7. Configure tax settings. Step 8. Launch your Shopify store by going to Preferences to remove the password. Please note that you need to pay for a plan now. How to conduct product research easily. Honestly, product research is like looking for a needle in a haystack. If you find it too difficult to conduct market research and competitor analysis by yourself, you can take advantage of the free trials of some product research tools like Style the Trend, Dropship, ecommerce. You can also follow some YouTube channels to find out the best products to dropship. I highly recommend you to check the platform top sellers on SaleYee, as they are based on the actual sales of our products on various platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Facebook, and Shopify. If you want to find out more statistics, you may subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep track of the latest trends. We can help you to save valuable time and effort. How to choose a dropshipping supplier. You can use Google when looking for the best free dropshipping suppliers. You may go through the search results one by one. Just go to the membership page to find out whether it is free or not. To know whether a dropshipping supplier is trustworthy or not, you should check their products, company videos, warehouses, partnerships, policies, and so on. If you want to know how many people at least are dropshipping the same products, you may just copy and paste the product names on the search bar, and you should find out in a second. Honestly, Most dropshippers are too lazy to differentiate their offers, needless to mention the title and description. If everything looks good, you may go ahead to register an account. Choose the product you need and place a test order to find out the delivery speed as well as the product quality. A further step is to connect your online store to automate product sourcing, inventory updates, and order fulfillment. How to market your products. To drive massive traffic to your online store, you should make use of a variety of marketing strategies, including SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, etc. It might be hard at the beginning without paid ads. However, don't be upset. It's good if you start getting visitors. To turn visitors into customers, you may offer free trials, flash sales, member-exclusive offers, gifts, vouchers, and so on. For example, from time to time, you can offer some products at $1, but the shipping fee is $2. To enjoy free shipping, the customer needs to buy more items. You can send the offers by using email marketing tools that offer free plans, such as MailChimp, GetResponse, MailLite, and Sendinblue. If you want a higher conversion rate, use high-quality videos and include customer testimonials on the product page. It is also recommended that you build a community around your products. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button below, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay tuned with us. See you next time!